second main, write first four terms of the AP when the first term and the common difference is given. They have given the common difference and the first term. The first question is A is equal to 10 and D is equal to 10. What we need to find out? First four terms. First four terms ಗಳು find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಯಾವ first four terms ಗಳು ನೋಡೋಣ? A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D. These are the first four terms. Correct? Okay. Then what is A value? 10, comma A plus D, 10 plus 10, 10 plus 2 into 10, comma 10 plus 3 into 10. Okay. Then 10 comma 10 plus 10 is 20, 10 plus 20, okay, 10 plus 30, 10, 20, 30, 40. Correct? They have given the first term and the common difference. What we need to find out? The first four terms of the AP. Correct? This is the solution. The second question, what they have given? A value. A is equal to -2 and D is equal to 0. What we need to find out? First four terms of the AP. First four terms. What are the four terms? A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D. A value is -2 plus D value 0, -2 plus 2 into 0, comma -2 plus 3 into 0. -2 plus 0 is -2. Correct? Comma -2 plus this is 0. -2 plus 0 is -2. This is the second solution. And third question is A is equal to 4, D is equal to -3. A is equal to 4, D equal to -3. A equal to 4, D equal to -3. What we need to find out? First four terms. Okay. Question number 3. A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D. What is A value? 4. 4 plus what is D value? -3. Since D value is minus, we need to add brackets. Correct? Okay. What is A value? 4 plus 2 into D value is -3. 4 plus 3 into -3. 4 comma 4 plus into -3 comma 4 plus into minus 2 3s are 6. 4, okay, plus into minus 3 3s are 9. Okay. 4 minus 3 is 1. 4 minus 6 is -2. 4 minus 9 is -5, and so on. Correct? So on, but only 4 terms. Now this is the question number 3. And the fourth question. What is fourth question here? A is equal to -1, D is equal to 1 divided by 2. What we need to find out? First four terms. A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D. Correct? Okay, what is A value? -1, comma -1 plus 1 by 2, comma -1 plus 2 into 1 by 2. Correct? 2 into 1 by 2, comma -1 plus 3 into 1 divided by 2. -1, comma -1 divided by any value? 1. 2 ones are 2, minus 2 plus 1 ones are 1 divided by 2 ones are 2, comma 2 cancel. What will be remaining? -1 plus 1. Okay, divided by 1. 2 ones are 2, minus is there, -2 plus 3 ones are into 1 3 divided by 2 ones are 2. Understood? Look here. Cross multiplication. 2 into minus 1 minus 2. 1 into 3 3 plus as it is 2 ones are 2. Then minus 1 comma minus 2 plus 1 minus 1 divided by 2. Minus 1 plus 1 0. 3 minus 2 1 divided by 2. This is the answer for fourth question. What is the fifth question here? A is equal to minus 1.25. Then D is equal to minus 0.25. Correct? Minus 1.25 minus 0.25. A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D. What is A value? Minus 1.25, comma, minus 1.25 plus what is D value? Minus is there. Minus means bracket. Minus 0.25, comma. A value is minus 1.25 plus 2 in bracket minus 0.25, comma, minus 1.25 plus 3 into 0. Minus 0.25 minus 1.25 as it is, minus 1.25 plus into minus minus 0.25 minus 1.25 plus into minus minus 25 twos are 50, that means 0.50, comma, minus 1.25 plus into minus minus 25 threes are 75, that means 0.75. Correct? Okay. Minus 1.25, comma, both are minus, you need to add. Correct? Then big number symbol. Minus 1.25 minus 0.25, that means 125 plus 25. 125 plus 25? 150. Correct? 1.50. 1.50. Big number symbol. Minus 1.50. Then 125 and 50. 175. 175. That means 1.75 minus big number symbol. Then 125, 75, 200. Correct? 200. 2.00 minus. Correct? This is the second way. Okay? One application level question. What is the question here? If an is equal to 5n minus 7, what we need to find out? Common difference and first 4 terms. Correct? For the first 4 terms, they have given already an value. An is equal to, this is solution, an is equal to 5n minus 7. When n is equal to 1, 2, 3 and 4, then what will be getting? 4 terms. n is equal to 1. an is nothing but what? a1. n के बदले में क्या डालेंगे? 1. Then what happens? an is nothing but what? a1. a1 is equal to, n इधर ही मत फेंकेगा, 1. 5 in bracket, n is nothing but what? 1 minus 7. a1 is equal to 5 ones are 5 minus 7. a1 is equal to minus 2. We got first term. Similarly, second term, n is equal to 2. a2 is equal to 5 in bracket 2 minus 7. 5 twos are 10 minus 7. What is the answer? 3. a2 is 3. Then a3 is equal to 5 in bracket 3 minus 7. 5 threes are 15 minus 7. Then 15 minus 7 is 8. This is equal to 8. Then a4 is equal to 5 in bracket, n is equal to what? 4 minus 7. 5 4s are 20 minus 7. This is equal to 30. We got first term, second term and third term, fourth term. Correct? Then what we need to find out? D. D is equal to formula a2 minus a1. a1. This is equal to, what is a2 second term? 3 minus, what is first term? Minus 2. Double minus means bracket. This is equal to 3 minus into minus plus 2. This is equal to 5. Common difference is 5 and the first 4 terms. The next question is, check whether these are in AP or not. What we need to do? You need to add n is equal to 1, n is equal to 2, n is equal to 3, n is equal to 4. For after getting A1, A2, A3, A4 values, what you need to find out? D1, D2, D3. If they are equal, then this is in A. These are the homeworks. One is, for the following APs, write the first term and common difference. What you need to find out? First term and common difference. 3, 1 minus 1 minus 3. What is the first term here? What is first term? A is equal to 3. What is common difference? D is equal to A2 minus A1. What is the second term? 1. Second term is 1 minus 3. 1 minus 3 is minus 2. D value is minus 2. This is the first answer. Second question is, third and second question, minus 5, 1, then minus 1, 3, 7 and so on. What is the first term here? A is equal to minus 5. Common difference, D is equal to A2 minus A1. What is second term? Minus 1. Minus. What is the first term? Minus 5. Double minus, you need to add one bracket. This is equal to minus 1. Minus into minus plus 5. Minus 1 plus 5 plus 4. Big number symbol. Plus is there. Plus 4. Plus 4. Understood? This is the second answer. And third question is, 1 divided by 3, 5 by 3, 9 divided by 3, 13 divided by 3. What is first term? A is equal to 1 by 3. What is common difference? A2 minus A1. And second term. What is second term? 5 divided by 3. 5 divided by 3 minus 1 divided by 3. 3 LCM is same, 3 only. 5 minus 1, 4 divided by 3. This is the common difference. First term, common difference. Understood? Then comes fourth question, 0.6. Fourth question. Then 1.7, 2.8, 3.9. What is first term? A is equal to 0.6. D is equal to A2 minus A1. 1.7 minus 0.6. What is the answer? 1.1. 1.1. Understood? This is the third method. Next, application level question. What is the question here? Find the middle term. Find the middle term of the AP 6, 13, 20 and so on 216. First of all, we need to find out number of terms, n value. Okay? Ee tara question banದಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು first ನಾನು n. I need to find out n value. First of all, you need to find out n value. After that, if n is even number, n by 2 is middle number. Correct? If n is even number, middle number is n by 2. Middle term is n by 2. Correct? ಈಗ 10 members ಇದ್ರಿ ನೀವು, 10 members ಒಳಗೆ ಮಿಡ್ಲ್ ಯಾರು ಇರ್ತಾರೆ? ಅದು 5. 11 ಅಂದಾಗ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ? ಅವಾಗ ಮಿಡ್ಲ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಏನಾಗ್ತವೆ? 2 ಮಿಡ್ಲ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ಗಳು. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್? 2 ಮಿಡ್ಲ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ಗಳು. ಅವಾಗ 2 ಮಿಡ್ಲ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್? ಓಕೆ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್, ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್? n value. Here what they have given, what is a? 6, the first one. What is common difference? D. A2 minus A1 with formula. What is 13 minus 6? What is D value? 7. We got D value. What is last term? Last term 216. Last term is an. Last term is an. 216. What we need to find out? N is equal to question mark, and the middle term is equal to question. Understood? We are having one formula for to find the value of n value. Okay. Formula. What is the formula here? An is equal to a plus in bracket n minus 1 into d. A plus in bracket n minus 1 into d. Okay. What is an value? 216. 216. What is a value? 6 plus n value? Don't know. What is d value? 7 plus 6. It will become what? Minus 6. 216 minus 6 is equal to n minus 1 into 7. 216 minus 6? 210. 210 is equal to n minus 1 into 7. Into it will become what? 210 divided by 7 is equal to n minus 1. 2 ones are 2 30s are. Okay. 2 ones are 2 30s are. 30 is equal to n minus 1. Minus 1 it will become plus 1. What is n value? 30 plus 1. N is equal to 31. N is equal to 31. Correct? N is odd. N is odd. If n is odd, then what we need to find out? Middle term. If n is 5, what is the middle term? 3. Howdilla? 5 middle term ಏನು 3. 5 plus 1 divided by 2. Correct? ಈವನ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ 2 ಬರ್ತಾವ ಬಹುಶಃ. ಈವನ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ 2 ಬರ್ತಾವ. ಆಡ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಒಂದೇ ಬರ್ತದೆ ಮಿಡಲ್ ಟರ್ಮ್. ಈವನ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ 2 ಮಿಡಲ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಬರ್ತಾವ. ಆಡ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಓಕೆ. ಆಡ್ ಐತಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ n is equal to ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? 31. ಮಿಡಲ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅವಾಗ? n plus 1 divided by 2. 31 plus 1 32 divided by 2. 32 divided by 2 16. 16th term is middle term. Okay. If there are 5 friends, which is the middle friend? Third friend. Third one is the middle friend. That means 5 plus 1 divided by 2. 5 plus 1 6 divided by 2 3. Third term. Understood? Same here. To find the middle term, to find the middle term, to find the middle term when n is odd. When n is odd, middle term is equal to what? N plus 1 divided by 2th term. Okay, this is equal to what is n? 31 plus 1 divided by 2 term. 32 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2. 16th. This is equal to 16th term. What we need to find out? 16th term. We need to find out 16th term. क्या find out करना हमें? 16th term. Therefore, 16th term is nothing but what? A16. Correct? A16. A16 is equal to A plus 15D. What is A value? 7. What is D value? 6 plus D value? 7. 6 plus 15 sevens are 105. 105. 105 plus 6. 111. Answer is 111. Right.